Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a fun Grinch mani using a dip powder from Risen Legacy called Angel Wings. This is a beautiful white pearl and it's stunning. And then we're going to use how cute are these Grinch decals from Nails Truly. The sheet is called Who's Pudding and these decals are adorable. They are super cute and a must-have for this holiday season, especially if you like the Grinch. So for today's mani, we are going to be doing a press-on set, and we're going to be doing the gel method, and I'm going to be using my medium almond nails from Sundara Nails. Now, I really like using jelly tips. I know I said that in the past, but you can do these nails any way you want. You can use just regular acrylic nail press-ons, or you can use jelly tips. You can do this over your regular nails. You do not have to do this in press-ons. You can do this any way you want. The reason why I like using jelly tips lately is because the Sundara nails are super thin and comfortable, and they just fit so nicely on the nail, and there's so many sizes. And I feel like the acrylic tips that you get that are not like the jelly tips are just more of a harder material, and they kind of hurt like your cuticle line. That's just my opinion, but that's why I really like using the jelly tips right now. So how gorgeous is Angel Wings? Isn't that pretty? It is the perfect staple shimmer for your collection. Now, Risen Legacy has tons of awesome shimmer powders and just colors in general, so you don't have to use a shimmer for this. You can use like a solid color, any color you want that's going to look good when we are placing those decals. The lighter the color, the better, because you're really going to get the most vibrancy of that decal sheet. So I really like Risen Legacy. If you haven't tried Risen Legacy dip powders yet, you definitely need to. They are super finely milled, buttery. They apply amazingly. They do not apply bulky or anything like that. Very minimal filing. It is probably one of my all-time favorite dip powders ever out there, just because of the quality that you get, and then the size of the jars. You can get 0.5 and 1 ounce jars, and they are super reasonable. So definitely check out Risen Legacy. I don't talk about them enough, but stay tuned. I will be using more Risen Legacy on my channel just because I really want you guys to see what other options are out there for colors and all that good stuff. So for today's mani, we are going to be doing some fun Grinch decals. And I know we looked at the decals in the beginning of this video, and they are so fun. So we'll get back into the decal process in just a few moments. But in the meantime, enjoy the dipping process. All right, now that we applied the gel base and cured it for 30 seconds, we are ready to apply these super cute decals from Nails Truly. So the reason why I like using that gel base and curing it for 30 seconds is because it gives me tons of wiggle room to move around that decal without tearing it or ripping into it. Decals are very, very fragile, and I find if I'm using anything other than a gel base and curing it, I have a really hard time moving around those decals to get them perfectly on the nail. So if I use like a sticky base, I'm not really able to move that as freely as I am, like you will see here in a few moments. The gel base with curing it just allows you to really get that decal perfectly where you want it. So that's the method that I like to do my decals. There are many different ways you can do your decals, but to move them around at ease without worrying about is it straight or if you're messing it up, this is the way to go for me. If you have a gel allergy, you can get HEMA-free gel products. I definitely recommend using the HEMA-free 21 free from Sundara Nails. I do have a discount code with them. I'll link it below. I love everything Sundara, especially their gel products, because they are so gentle. I do not have any issues right now with the Model 1s with any gel allergies or anything like that. But if you do have a gel allergy, there's options for you to achieve this as well. And how cute is this one right here? It says naughty and it's the Grinch. Okay, so these decals are from Nails Truly. They are part of a collection and you can get them individually. So the collection is called What is Your Favorite Movie? And it's super awesome. The price point of this collection is phenomenal. So it's $19 and then you can use code Mallory to save as well. So super cheap, but you would get all 12 of the Christmas movie decal sheets. That's 12 decal sheets. That's an awesome deal because each individual sheet is like $4. So right there alone, you're getting all those fun favorite Christmas holiday movies in one price. So you get 12 of those. You get 3 mystery dips. You get 5 Nelfie rings, a manicure kit, a decal stamper, a cosmetic bag, and you get a chance to win a giveaway at the end of the sales. I think she's going to be doing that sometime in December. So stay tuned for that little giveaway. But you cannot beat that price point of the $19. And then you can use the discount code on top of it. So you're saving extra money. So super cute. Otherwise, if you're not into like the whole like 12 decal sheets, you can get them individually to create this mani. There are so many fun ones. There is Home Alone, which I did that recently. I'll link that in the cards. There is, what is there? I think there's Gremlins. There is The Christmas Story, which is so funny. There's like 2 different Christmas Story ones. They're really, really funny. I think she definitely outdid herself with these collections. And then there is also one, I Triple Dog Dare You, when he like licks the flagpole. So super fun. And there's also other Christmas decals on there. They're not just movies. So if you are ready to jazz up your nails for the holiday season, definitely consider a decal. It's super easy. There is some Thanksgiving ones too. So if you order now, you will still be able to get those in time for Thanksgiving. Even if you order like next week, you're good to go. I do have a really fun non-traditional Thanksgiving mani coming up with some super cute Thanksgiving decals coming up in the next couple days, so stay tuned for that. So I could continue rambling on about all the fun stuff out there, but right now I'm going in and we are finishing this mani process, and I will pop back in just a few seconds. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani, and how cute are these decals in this set? I know I've said that a lot because I'm obsessed with it, and I'm super glad I did press-ons because I can reuse these adorable nail sets. So I will go ahead and link everything in the description box below. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload. Bye!